Less than 2 years after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, it heard arguments today over expanded access to a key drug in the protocol for medicated abortions, which now represent a majority of abortions in the U.S.
My body!
My choice! Abortion kills! Yes, they kill!
The court is being asked to consider the legality of the FDA's decisions to roll back safety regulations on mifepristone in 2016 and 2021. Things like dropping the requirement that prescribers report adverse health impacts like infections and severe bleeding requiring emergency room visits, unless fatal, and allowing the pill to be dispensed without in-person doctor visits. Supporters of those decisions today argued that the pro-life doctors who brought this lawsuit can't even show they've been injured, but struggled to answer questions from Justice Alito about who would be in a position to sue.
So your argument is that it doesn't matter if FDA flagrantly violated the law, didn't do what it should have done, endangered the health of women. It's just too bad nobody can sue in court.
Even if the justices do get to the merits, there seemed to be widespread skepticism on the bench about whether the Supreme Court should be the one to second-guess the FDA on issues of drug safety.
Do you think that courts have specialized scientific knowledge with respect to pharmaceuticals? And as a company that has pharmaceuticals, do you have concerns about judges parsing medical and scientific studies?
Senator Josh Hawley was in the courtroom today with his 2 young sons, not only because he is a prominent pro-life advocate, but because his wife Erin was one of the attorneys arguing the case. Also in the courtroom, New York Attorney General Letitia James, who led a group of states that filed a brief in support of the FDA's actions. A decision is due by late June. At the Supreme Court, Shannon Bream, Fox News.